Aman, why do you look so lost today? You didn't even notice me waving?
Oh, hey, Ria. I've just been thinking a lot. Fusion has taken over my brain.
Confusion? About what?
About life, career, and everything in between. One says different things. Some say studying early, some say study long. I'm stuck in the middle.
Classic life crisis. Happens to the best of us. What triggered it today?
I saw an old classmate. He's earning around 25,000 rupees a month already. He didn't even continue college. Here I am, still completing courses.
Let me guess. You compared yourself.
How can I not? He's financially independent, and I'm still figuring things out.
Tell me honestly, do you want quick or long-term growth?
Question. I want stability, but I also want to support family early.
It's understandable. Do you think earning early automatic stability?
Maybe not, but it starts the process early.
True, but sometimes early earning also ties down. Small salary becomes comfort and growth.
I've seen that happen too. You'll get stuck in the same job for years.
Studying long doesn't mean waste, means sharpening yourself. It gives you knowledge, confidence, and a better position.
Studying too long without earning feels, especially when you see others already.
I get it. But everyone's journey moves at a different speed.
What if after studying long, I still don't get a job?
That's why you shouldn't rely only on degrees. Skills plus studies equals strong future.
I shouldn't study blindly.
Study smart, not just long.
Some people who start earning early become successful, like entrepreneurs or dancers.
They take risks. Not everyone wants or can that level of risk. You want risky success or stable success?
Stable.
And focus on a balanced path. Study enough to build a strong base and part-time to get experience.
So I can do both.
Of course, why choose one when you can combine?
Sometimes I feel like I'm slow in.
Pace doesn't define success. Directions. And if you walk slowly, if you're walking in the right direction, you'll reach faster than someone running.
It's deep, Ria.
I know, I'm a philosopher after 6 p.m. Let me explain with simple examples. Example 1. Early earner. One starts earning at 18 in a shop. 28, he's still at the same place because there was no growth. Example 2. Long learner. Someone studies till 5, struggles a bit, by 30 earns more and works in a respect.
So both sides have advantages and advantages.
But long-term success usually comes from strategy, not speed.
So what should I actually do now?
Identify your career goal. See if that goal needs higher studies. Build skills no matter what. Start small part-time earning funds. Keep improving instead of rushing.
That sounds like something I can follow.
No, you make things sound easy. In my mind, everything feels messy. It's normal, but remember this. Your future doesn't care how fast you start. It cares how well you build.
Line hit home.
I am glad. You're capable. You just need clarity, not pressure.
Let me say it in simple words. Earning early gives experience. Studying long gives foundation. Combining both gives balance.
Exactly. Fully your brain is working.
Ria, really, I needed this talk.
And now that you understand the value of being early, you can earn XP by buying me a cold coffee.
Let's go.